Lion. The lion head statue is located in Camp 6, Baguio City along Cannon Road, which is a highway in Luzon, Philippines, that leads to the city of Baguio. The lion head have a measure of 40 feet in height and was designed by Reynaldo Lopez Nauyac, who is an Ifugao artist and wood carver from the Cordillera Administrative Region or the CAR. The material used are limestone and was started to construct in the year 1968 and was opened at about the year 1972. The head lion statue was dedicated to the Lions Club. Prior to the artistic sculpting, the limestone was prepared by a group of engineers and miners. The forerunner of the man-made lion head was a large rock described to be naturally shaped like a lion. After being damaged by an earthquake in the year 1970 and some vandalism, it was needed to undergo several coloration changes before restoring it to acquiring its traditional gold and black color. It was at some point in that time painted with some white and brown or yellow color. At the side, you can buy gift souvenirs and refreshing drinks and food. So that's all about the story of lion.